Hello guys, today we are doing a quick unboxing of the Samsung Odyssey G5 curved monitor. Here are our specs for the Samsung Odyssey G5. The screen size is 32 inches, video inputs are HDMI and DisplayPort. The screen curvature is 1000R. The aspect ratio is 16:9. Resolution 2560 pixels by 1440 pixels. The viewing angle is 178 degrees. Refresh rate 144 Hz. The peak brightness is 350 nits tested. The contrast ratio is also 3500 by 1 tested. And now, we hop into some gameplay. As you can see, this monitor can play movies and videos in a full scale. By the way, this monitor does not have any speakers. Overall, the monitor is a great monitor. It keeps you really immersed into your games and your videos and all that kind of stuff. I'd say it is very good for the price, $500 Australian dollars compared to the $1,200 Australian dollars that you pay for the MSI monitor. But if you're looking to go cheap, definitely go with the Samsung Odyssey. If you're looking to go way more immersed, go with the MSI. If you have any questions, pop them down in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.